Whenever you want to start, guys.
I'm Halo.
Wait. Start again, but let's talk real loud.
I'm Halo.
Hi, I'm Nessa J.
I'm the Gabinator. And I'm Dylan J.
And welcome to
Nessa
Today we have sour high cheese and we also have a Fruity King soda mini.
Mini sodas?
Yeah.
Can you hold up those high chews so we can get a good look at them? All right, these are the sours, huh? Awesome.
Yeah. We're gonna do these first.
What kind of flavors do they come with, guys?
Wait, hold on.
What kind of flavors are in there? What do we got?
Lime. Grapefruit. Hold on. Lime again. Lemon.
Lemon. That should be sour, huh, guys, right?
And that's it.
All right, who wants to try them? Let's make sure everybody gets some.
Nessa, I wanted the grape one.
Try it.
I don't like lemon. Lemon's gross.
Okay, Dylan doesn't want to be in the video?
No, I don't want that one. I want a different one. Before I take a drink,
Let's have a good attitude. Wait, what kind of sodas? Let me see these sodas again. Here. What is this? Fruity King?
Don't look.
Let's talk about the flavors. Who got blueberry?
I am.
What is your problem, boys? We're doing a video over here.
Go on.
You guys are making a mess. All right. So what do we get? We got blueberry. We got orange. What is this one? Fruit punch. And then what flavor is that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. All right. Give everybody their own sodas and their own candies. How's that soda taste, bud?
I'm gonna open it.
Do you need some help?
I'm gonna eat this.
My favorite's lime. This one?
How sour is it?
Not sour.
It's not that sour?
Not sour at all.
Huh.
Open it. No.
Haley Rose, did you try yours? Okay. You guys are probably not going to be in the next video since all I see is fighting. This is not a fighting channel. This is a kids channel.
I just tried yellow.
What?
I just tried yellow.
Oh. The lemon, right? Try your soda. How's that taste? Let's get Haley her soda too. She's reaching for it. How's your high chews taste?
I don't even taste mine. And I need help opening this.
All right.
I'm trying lime. I chew. My candy is. Oh my God, that was sour.
It's really sour? What flavor did you get? What flavor did Haley have?
Lemon.
This is so sour. No, that's not lemon, that's grapefruit.
Oh yeah?
Wait.
There, I started it for you, bud.
Try that one.
How's yours, Dill?
Good.
Is it sour?
Let's
All right.
Open it, Dad.
Now, don't eat them all.
Try one. You try one.
Oh, I will.
Open it. I dare you, Vanessa. I dare you to try.
So you guys, are those kind of like Starburst or what?
Yeah.
Are they better or what? Are they
They're better.
softer or harder or what?
They're softer. But when you bite into it, it's like hard. High cheese.
Oh, really?
Because it is a high cheese.
Yeah, it's good. It's good, Dad.
Awesome. All right, you guys, so we're sorry it's been...
For Abby and,
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, whatever.
No, I want to try a lemon.
No, 2 for each person.
All right, guys, so we haven't been able to make a movie in the last few weeks because we've just had so much going on. We were out buying new car and all kinds of stuff. Just been really busy last couple weeks for us. Oh, I don't think they can see it. Let's see if we zoom in. There you go. Kinda can see it. All right. So, would you guys buy these again?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're back in the mode of making candy reviews. Remember, if there's a candy you want to see, you need to comment down below, right, Ness?
Yeah.
Comment down below what you want to see us review next. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Also, we're going to be doing some vlogs soon.
I'm gonna say peace out.
Hey, don't touch this lens. I'm serious. I'm serious. It will be your fault. It will be your fault.
It ain't my fault.
No, it ain't my fault.